In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitvavo to ByBit. So from your home screen, you're going to click on the blue icon at the bottom, and here you're going to select withdraw. So select your crypto in here that you wish to transfer from Bitvavo to ByBit. In this tutorial, I'm going for Ethereum. So if you already have an Ethereum address, then go ahead and click on this one. And if you don't have one yet, then you're going to click on add new address for Ethereum. And I'm going to do that for this video. So let's click on add new address. And here you need to select the network. And the network is really important because you need to use the right network on your ByBit. Because if you do not select the same network, then your crypto might get lost. So please be sure that the network is matched. And after you click on continue. And in this screen, we're going to enter a wallet address name. So as we're transferring to ByBit, I'm going to call this ByBit and then Ethereum. And in here, I need to paste the Ethereum address from ByBit. So in order to obtain this, we are going to our ByBit app. So from our ByBit app, we're going to click on deposit from the home screen. And in here, we're going to select Ethereum. So here in crypto, we are going to select ETH. And as you can see, we see ETH Ethereum, and this is the one that we need. So in this screen, we see choose a chain type, but this is actually the same as network. So we just selected Ethereum. So we also need to select Ethereum in here. And as you can see, we need to confirm. As you can see, ByBit is reminding us that we need to use the same network because a mismatched address can result in the permanent loss of your assets. So let's click on OK. And now we need to copy this wallet address and paste it into our Bitvavo app. So paste the address in here. And then down below, click on this address belongs to me, and then you can click on continue. So enter the password and your two-factor authentication code. And if you haven't authenticated yet, then please check my other video on how to do this if you are stuck in this process. So I'm going to fill in my details and then I'm going to click on continue. So Bitvavo will always send you an email to confirm the creation of your new withdrawal address. So go ahead and look in your junk, spam, or your normal inbox and wait around 15 minutes in order for this email to be inbound in your mailbox. So after you have the email, then click on confirm address request. And as you can see, the address is added. So now we can return to Bitvavo. Select the address you just created. Right now down below, click on withdrawal to ByBit ETH. So enter the amount of Ethereum that you wish to transfer. And let's say I want to transfer this amount, €2. Then I'm going to click on preview transfer order. And down below, I can finalize this transfer by clicking on send ETH. So let's do this. And as you can see, we have sent Ethereum to ByBit. Now we can click on continue. And now our crypto will be added to our ByBit account. So let's head over to our ByBit app to see if our balance is already topped up. So when we go to our assets in ByBit, we see that we have one deposit request pending for confirmation. And right now it is funding. So that means that it will be added to my account right now. And I see in here that the deposit is successful. So let's click on cancel in here. And now we can see that our assets are now $2.10, and this means that the transfer is successful. So that is how you transfer crypto from Bitvavo to ByBit. Thank you for watching and subscribe.